Hey everybody, it's Eddie here at the home of Bella Bloom Tully Nursery, and the sun has just come back out after a couple of days of heavy rain, so hopefully things will pick up and sales will follow through. Today I'd just like to give you a quick snapshot of some of the beautiful colours that we have available on the list. Here on my left hand side, start with the Calabrox mixes. This one here is a straight Can lemon, and it's really nice, it's quite subtle. Then we have in the middle Petticoat, which is a nice mix of colours. And then we have the Trixie mixes here, which we have the Petunia, the Verbena and the Lobelia mixed through, and this has been a really strong seller for us over the last couple of weeks. And also the straight coloured petunias as well. And here on my right hand side we have some new additions to the list in the Bella Bloom patio plants range. This one here is Pelargonium Pink Anne. It's really nice. We've got some lovely African marigolds as well, in yellow and orange, and also we have a red Pelargonium as well. I think this is red Milena. It's a really strong colour. I love the reds now, in fairness. And then we have a Brachycom as well in the patio range, which is really dainty, daisy-like flowers on that. And we also have Dahlia, and this one has a really apt name. This one here is Fireball, so it's got a gorgeous yellow centre, and then as you go out to the edge of the petals, it's a really strong orange. So that's a really good name for that plant. There's loads more stuff on the list, so maybe just check it out, and I hope you have a good week. Thank you.